Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to block someone or how to block contact on iPhone. So for your information, the device that I use today is iPhone XR, and the way to block someone's contact on your iPhone, you just need to find this application, the phone application with this symbol. If you cannot find this application on your home screen, you just need to slide your home screen into the left side until you find the app library and just type phone on the search button, and after that you just need to go click it to open it. And now whenever you open the phone, they will be like bring you into the keypad sections, but now you need to jump into the contacts to access all of the contacts on your phone. And now you just need to find which contact that you want to block. For example, I will block this because I already graduated from the school and I want to clean it. So you just need to go click the contact you want to blocked, and after that, after you already arrive in the section, you just need to scrolling down until you found this information with the red color letter on it, and after that you just need to go click block this color and confirm that you want to block it. And that's all. That's the way how to block a contact in iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys, so don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.